Hi, if you're looking to optimize radio performance when deploying our products in proprietary LoRa mode, this video is made for you. I'm Nivedita and I'll walk you through the best practices to follow when using our sensors. As a reminder, proprietary LoRa mode is the mode in which endless LoRa sensors communicate with an endless LoRa receiver. A video is also available on Endless YouTube channel if you'd like to understand the differences between proprietary LoRa and LoRaWAN. Let's now take a look at the best practices for deploying our products in proprietary LoRa mode. First of all, it's important to note that radio communication is not an exact science. Many factors can affect the quality and range of a wireless transmission inside a building, such as a thick wall or the materials used. In open field conditions, the radio range between endless transmitters and a LoRa receiver exceeds 5 kilometers. This radio protocol is truly well suited for monitoring very large buildings or even industrial sites. For example, one project we can mention is the installation of over 300 endless sensors within the Paris City Hall, covering more than 50,000 meters square. The results show outstanding radio performance despite the thick stone walls of this historic building. Nevertheless, we are going to share with you some simple, concrete tips to ensure on optimal installation and maximize your product's radio performance. Our first recommendation is to carry out on-site radio tests before the final deployment. When possible, we encourage you to perform a preliminary radio audit to verify that the sensors communicate properly with the receiver when placed where you intend to install them. This will help determine whether the RSSI levels are sufficient and whether you need to install repeaters. Just as a reminder, repeaters require no configuration. You simply place them halfway between the transmitters and the receiver and they will relay all received frames. Pro tip: our sensors are equipped with push buttons that allow you to send test frames. You can then check on the receiver server whether the frames are properly received with a good RSSI level. Second recommendation: always install sensors at least 1.5 meters above the ground to ensure better radio wave propagation. Also, try to install the sensors in open areas free from obstacles. Final recommendation: use long-range antennas with our Modbus or backnet receivers. If you are installing our receivers in an electrical cabinet, the long-range antenna with a 5-meter extension cable will allow you to position the antenna outside the cabinet. Try to place the long-range antenna as high as possible to maximize reception performance. If needed, you can also use a 10-meter antenna extension to position the antenna even farther away. That's it. We hope this information helps you deploy your endless products in optimal conditions. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions. See you soon.